and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be learning how we can control form values with React. There are many situations where you want to programmatically control the value of a form field. Maybe you want to set the value of one field based on the user's interactions with another element. Or maybe you want to change the user's input as they are typing it. In this example, we will be preventing the user from typing uppercase characters into our field by turning our input from an uncontrolled field to a controlled field. So here in our previous example, whenever we used to type in uppercase, we were getting this message that username must be lowercase. So what we are trying to do now is that whenever user types anything over here, we will make that in lowercase itself. And to do that, we will be going to our handle change event, and where we are setting the username as event.target.value, we will be further going ahead and saying to lowercase, and we'll save this. But now let's see, if I reload this page and I have my caps lock on and I go ahead and type something, I don't see that happening. It's not changing in lowercase, but I am not getting the error as well. So you see, we are not getting any error over here. What that means is that the name that we are setting using the set username is obviously in lowercase, and when it's going over here, it's comparing and it's finding it as true that the content that you see in the text box is actually lowercase, but it's not visible to the user that they have typed it in lowercase. And to resolve this issue, what we actually need to do is have the value attribute for the input box. So here we'll say value is equal to, and then we will have the username set over here. Now let's go ahead and reload this. Over here, now if I go ahead and have my caps keys on and I type, even though I'm typing with all caps on, I'm getting the result in lowercase. So that way we are controlling the behavior of the user input, and we are controlling it as per our requirement. So here we can now just get rid of all these lowercase error and this div, and finally have a filtered version of it. So all we are getting now is alert, you entered the username, and over here we have the handle change event with two lowercase and the value set to username. And that's pretty much it.